and soon becomes a cage.
It steals health, breaks families, shatters dreams, and turns hope into helplessness.
Today's performance dares to show us the reality we often avoid. The heavy cost paid by individuals, families, and society when addiction takes control. This drama is not just a story, it is a mirror reflecting pain, loss, and regret.
Ladies and gentlemen, please brace yourselves for a thought-provoking and emotionally intense performance.
A drama that highlights the destructive impact of addiction and reminds us that prevention and compassion can save lives. By the students of class 8 to 12.
This is unheard, a bridge between two worlds.
Every child carries a world inside them, some bright, some broken. Tonight, we enter that world.
Scene 1. The breaking point.
Emma, yet again such low marks? What is wrong with you?
In our days, we studied under street light, and you, laptop, phone, tuition, and still nothing?
Mom, she don't have brain. She has got mad. Send her to asylum. I can't tolerate her anymore.
I just keep telling her to concentrate, but she doesn't care enough.
You don't have pain. You're such an attention seeker.
Hopeless, irresponsible, don't care enough, loser,
She has got mad.
duffer,
Wasting your time.
worthless, dumb, stupid.
Stop! Stop! I'm trying. I try every day. But I don't understand myself. It feels like I'm drowning. And no one, literally no one sees me.
When a child's voice trembles, it is not disobedience, it's pain.
Scene 2. The voices they never hear.
Showcasing loneliness, emotional hurt, and the need for two-way understanding between parents and children.
Rishi, pass the ball.
Catch it if you can.
Rishi, look. Calf isn't looking okay today.
Yes, he looks broken. Come, let's talk to him. Hey Cat, what happened, dude?
Yes, you look hurt. Like you're carrying something really heavy.
I'm fine. Actually, no, I am not. I don't even feel like going home anymore. You know what hurts most? It's not the scolding and not the lectures. It's the feeling that I am invisible in my own house. Yesterday I was trying to show my father the trophy I won, but he didn't even look at it. He was busy playing with my dog, saying good boy, while I was standing right there. Sometimes I feel like they love the pet more than me. He gets more hug, more attention, and me, I get complaints, instructions, comparisons, never appreciation.
You're not alone. My parents are also controlling me at every step. I don't know what to do. They keep telling me how I should behave, how I should not. And no one ever asks me that what do I feel.
Child need conversation and not comparison.
Scene 3. The empty home, the heavy heart, and the wrong escape.
Depicts loneliness, neglect, friendship pressure, and beginning of drug abuse.
Oh no, I am getting late. Your father has a meeting too.
Where is my file? My boss will be furious if I am late. Mom, Dad, today is my holiday. Will you stay? Can we have breakfast together? Please.
Dear, we want to, but we can't.
And you are old enough to understand. We'll talk in evening. Hey Amit, what's up? Will you come at my place? I'm feeling bored.
Okay, I'm coming.
What happened, Ronit? Is everything okay? I feel lonely. My parents are always angry or tired. I feel invisible in my own house.
Oh man, same story. But you know what helps?
What?
We have something. Something that makes all the stress got magic powder. One pinch and you will feel like the world is yours.
No, I don't want this. I'm not that kind of person. That kind of person? Bro, it's normal. Everyone in our group does it.
Just think, no pain, no loneliness, no parents shouting, just peace.
No, I just want someone to listen. Someone to say that they love me and not this.
Relax, it will help you. Right once.
When love leaves the gap, something else enters. Not because children are weak, but because loneliness is loud. That's how in the silence they search for comfort in the wrong arms.
Scene 4. The love we fail to see.
In a world full of screens, we forgot the faces that raised us, the hands that held us once. Not wait for a little attention. Let's see how.
Dear beta, what is that? Beta, what is that?
That's a vending machine, Grandma. You cannot see it.
Beta, what is that?
Stop. Why are you asking the question again and again, which are kiddish? Don't you understand? Stop it.
When you were a child, you asked the same question not only 3 times but 10 times.
And every time we answer you with a smile, with patience and with love.
Today you cannot tolerate us just because you have grown up. Growing up means understanding, not forgetting.
As you all saw, how the child was disrespecting their grandparents just because he was busy on phone playing games. Growing up is not about losing patience, it is about learning gratitude. Because the love you ignore today is the lesson you will miss tomorrow.
Scene 5. Unseen sacrifices. Parents give their best to raise their children, and in return, what they only expect is love and respect.
Here, we live in an age where technology connects us like never before. Social media, along with peer pressure, influences the child in wrong way. Let's see how it affects relationships in search of forming connections.
Priya, your favorite food. Eat properly, beta. Why do you always make same thing? My friends eat outside food. I don't want this.
Beta, we work so hard so that we can give you best, but you have no value.
You don't understand anything. You are so old-fashioned. Waiting for friends, looking at the clock. Why are they so late? Hi Riya. What took you so long? We wanted to call you. That's when we realized you don't have phone. My parents have given me phone. I also need one because I get so bored at home. Hey, do you have a laptop at home? Just log into Instagram. It's so interesting. You will have lots of fun. Just give it a try. And dude, not only Instagram, there is WhatsApp, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter and what not. They help her log into the laptop. Friends exit. Riya into her laptop. Riya takes bag, goes to school. Parents doing their work. Mom cooking. Dad reading newspaper. Riya comes back from school, goes and sits and uses laptop.
Hey Riya, how was your school?
Riya, no response.
Did you finish your tiffin? And how was the test?
Riya, no response. Mom, Dad walk towards her, asks her.
Riya, why are you so silent these days? You seem to be in world of your own. My dear baby, talk to me.
Riya, listen to us, beta. Please respond.
Riya, listen to me. You can't just sit there and looking into laptop. I'm going to shut it down.
Mom shuts laptop. Riya stands and shouts.
No, you can't do that. I have lot of friends there.
What is this way? You talking to your mother?
We never imagined our child will behave like this. Where did we go wrong, beta?
You both
stop interfering in my life.
We try to give you everything. Love, affection. Your mom is concerned about you, but you have no respect.
Children forget that every comfort they enjoy is built on the sacrifices of their parents. They give up their dreams so their children can chase theirs. They hide their pain behind smiles so their children never feel the weight of life. Riya went to school.
Children, today I want to ask you one question. Do you know who is your first teacher?
Who?
It's your parents. They teach you to eat, speak, walk, love and believe in yourself. Marks and success matter, but values imparted by your parents matters more. Always respect the hands that raised you.
Riya comes home.
Mom, Dad, I am sorry for my behavior. Dad, I never realized how much you do for me.
We don't want anything from you, my child. Just your love and respect.
Parents may not say it every day, but their love speaks to every sacrifice.
As both sides are hurting,
Both sides are trying,
both sides are right.
just in different ways.
We worry because we care. We sacrifice without saying. We fear losing you. We want you to be safe.
We need to be heard. We feel lonely too. We want your time. We need understanding. We crave appreciation.
Expectations versus pressure.
Care versus control.
Freedom versus fear.
Silence versus understanding. When parents bend a little and children grow a little, the gap becomes a bridge strong enough to hold every emotion, every mistake, every fear, and every dream.
This drama really made us understood about the addiction and love of parents.
Give a big round of applause.